everyone, welcome back to SAT Math question of the day. It's evening here, so everything looks a little darker, a whole different lighting thing. Okay, here we go. Question 2. Oh God, was this calculated or not calculated section? This was calculated section, wasn't it? Yeah, calculated section. Okay, so it's only the second question. Here we go. Word problem, obviously. One of the requirements for becoming a court reporter is the ability to type 225 words per minute. Donald can currently type 180 words per minute and believes that with practice he can increase his typing speed by 5 words a minute a month. Which of the following represents the number of words per minute that Donald believes he will be able to type M months from now? He can currently type 180. And
okay, let's underline the relevant things. He can currently type 180 words per minute, right?
Right.
He believes he could increase his typing speed by 5 words per minute each month.
Yeah.
So now his speed now is 180, and in M months he will increase it by 5 words per minute each month. There's the formula, and that's it.
That's right. So that was fairly to very straightforward. No calculator needed.
It's a matter of reading the question and ignoring one piece of irrelevant information.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah. And then of course, though that other information is relevant to other questions, like in how many months will he think he'll be ready for the test? But that's not the question they asked.
I'm surprised they didn't put that as an answer. Which would be, I'm surprised they just didn't put that as an answer.
Well, the answer to that question is not an expression in M. The answer to that question would be a number of months.
I know, but if they put that number down and people saw it, you get a little nervous. You'd have to read the question more carefully, wouldn't you? But someone who's going a little bit too fast would say, "Oh, they're going to ask the number of months." They see the answer and immediately jot it down.
Yeah.
I bet if they put the answer here as one of the choices, I bet more than 0% of the people would have answered that.
Well, we'll look at the other distractors. There's a distractor where they subtract 5M, where the 180 is the constant, and then the other distractors, there's one 180M for someone, 180 words per minute, multiply that by the number of minutes. So this, and then 5. This is a unit conflict. 5 has units words per minute per month.
Yeah.
180 is words per minute. M is month. So 180 M is a total number of words.
Right.
Well, anyway, the thing is, there's this distractor where they interchange the 5 and the 180.
Right.
And there's this extractor where the rate is correct, but the constant is the 225 that they gave up here. That's irrelevant to the question.
Right.
So if someone who read it too quickly, they'll just pick this one.
Yeah.
And pick this one, see that the question involves a rate of 5, and take the constant plus a rate times time. But you have to read it carefully.
Yeah, you have to read it carefully. Now, if you're dyslexic, right? You see 97 as 79. You got an issue here. Because if you're dyslexic, your brain may actually process this as the correct answer.
Yeah.
So
if you're dyslexic, you'll receive these things, 225, 180, and then you'll see these things confusing.
Yeah. Now, if you are seriously dyslexic, You can get extra time on the SAT, but you have to be psychologically analyzed, and it's a rigmarole, and you have to write letters, and it's a big deal.
Yeah.
But you are allowed to get extra time on the SAT if you qualify as dyslexic.
Well, of course, it's my understanding is that if it's legitimate, it's pretty easy to qualify.
Right. Yeah, no, it's easy, but you do have to. It's not cheap to get
You do have to do something, yeah.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah. You do have to.
So, if you have some dyslexia, it's a good idea to seek accommodation.
Right.
Yeah. Because it definitely, and I think there are worse problems. There are things you do on the SAT that dyslexia makes even harder than this.
Yeah.
Like basic, multiple doing algebraic manipulations.
Yeah. So then, if
so
you're all in that qualify, you're definitely going to want to try to get extra time, and you should talk to guidance counselors and your parents and just everyone and see whether that would make sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. This wasn't it. I guess we can say everyone goodbye. We're basically done, but I do want to ask you one question after the after party. So please like us, dislike us, give us your comments, send us your math questions at SATmathquestionoftheday@gmail.com. Seth, were there some famous mathematicians who were like seriously dyslexic, or is that just like a urban tale?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I completely got here to look up there, but there have been mathematicians who are blind.
Yeah. Okay, I was just curious. Okay, so I guess that's it, right? We're done.
Yeah, I think I was told by by one of my professors that some very innovative crystallographer was blind.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing. That's the human. There's no constantly being amazed by. We should all be constantly being amazed by the amazing thing that people can do and feats that can't even imagine possible that people can do. Wow.
Well,
okay.
Okay. We'll see you next time.
So see you next time. Take care, everyone.